So I've just returned now from the Global Chess League London 2024, 6th of October. Now that's evening, almost 8 p.m. Oh boy, I'm going to upload the video, whatever that is in this evening. That's what I proposed to myself. So very nice and very cool. I've seen live for the first time Hikaru Nakamura and Magnus Carlsen and Arjun and Pragnananda and Eric Geis and Nihal Sarin and Abdusatorov and Yang Krzysztof Duda and Elizabeth Pats and there's so many chess legends. I absolutely enjoyed it, and I plan to be going back next week on Friday, 11th of October. If you guys around London, and if you want to pay a visit to this chess event, probably we're gonna have a coffee. Now, unfortunately, today they didn't have any coffee at the chess event. I had to go to Euston Tube Station to grab myself a drink. Weird, but anyway, chess-wise, it was fabulous, and I enjoyed it. And I think they should be relaxing the rules about filming and stuff, because the more people are filming, the better the chess event is being promoted. So they should be relaxing this thing a little bit, because it's good for the chess. It's good for the chess community, and the fact that people take a picture or make their own films and they upload it on social media, it's good for the event, and it's a win-win for everybody. So they should be relaxing the stuff. Anyway, back to the opposite colored bishop in the endgame. Now, we're going to have a couple of scenarios, my very dear chess friends. But what we need to understand for the for the current stuff here we're having on the board, guys. By the way, I haven't checked. Are we actually recording this? Ah, yeah. You know, it's good to check, because you may be just very well talking to the walls. It happened. It happened to me. I'm the guy that talks to the walls. I should just do Zazen and forget about us all. Anyway, the danger here, my very dear chess friends, is that white threatens to pushing this guy. And once you understand the danger, because I'm not sure what you first thing first, if you play with black something that doesn't make any big sense, if you're gonna play something random, like I'm gonna play a bad move like bishop e2 or bishop to f3, so this kind of stuff will be followed by g6, and then you just completely cooked. You can't do nothing. If you were able to be moving here, they just captured that they're going to promote on a dark square. You're done. So once you understand the danger, and once you understand that the white bishop, the dark square white bishop, can't attack your pawns, because this bishop is bound to be moving on dark squares. And the same goes for you and the white pawns. They are on dark squares, and your bishop is light square bishop. You understand that the only way to stopping from losing is bishop h5. And if white would have pushed, you just took back. Now, you notice that the king wants to take on e4, so we must prevent that thing from happening, because if we allow it, they're going to be stepping aside, and they've just created a pass pawn, and you are as good as dead. You just lost. Shake hands. Thank you very much. Whew. Right. Oh, I want to thank publicly to the GM woman, the fantastic lady that just smashed me completely, Antonetta Stefanova. Thank you very much, dear lady. That was a fabulous lesson. I enjoyed getting beaten by the woman grandmaster, Antonetta Stefanova. Awesome presence, and that's just fabulous. I don't know. You got to go to the videos that I've taken live. I think it was a restream thing. Right. What did I do? What's this digression here? Okay, so we mustn't lose the black pawn on e4. We've got to protect that pawn, and we're going to play bishop to g6, because in this fashion, we protect the pawn. This is a draw, my dearest chess friends. It's a draw here. If king goes something d6, just do bishop f7, bishop f5. They go back, you go back. It's going to be a threefold repetition. My idea would be, if they go with the king, try not to move your king away, the black king. Just keep him there. You can't be checked by the bishop, by the pawn, by nothing. Keep the bishop there. Just move your guy. Back and forth, back and forth. This, you go this. They go here, they go here. You go back. That's it. Okay. So that's a first scenario. And now let me see. We've been okay. I think we're gonna keep it nice and short. because some guy said, "Hey, dude, if you go more than 5 minutes, no one's gonna watch your stuff. Doesn't matter what you're doing." Well, doesn't matter what you're doing. Okay, let's keep it nice and short for now. I will be coming back sooner than you think. When would that be? I think tomorrow. Yeah, why the heck not? Tomorrow, after the that school club, I'm going to be coming back and record the second chapter in our series, Opposite Colored Bishops. In the end game, please do subscribe. Please do share it with family and friends. Go to TikTok, follow me there, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Twitch, and all the social media, guys, so I can get 1 million viewers. And then I get the sponsorship with my favorite energy drinks and stuff. Okay, thanks for watching. You guys are the best. We grow together, we learn together, and it's fabulous and it's great. So thank you for being with me, and I'll see you soon.